Hi guys, can you tell me how to identify whether a particular person is a good fit for you or not, or whether that person can be a true friend or not, or life partner or not? What are the true measures for that? The best possible way to understand that is try to spend some time with that guy. Okay, whether it can be a girl or a boy. Okay, you just try to spend some time and try to see whatever he or she is telling. Are they matching with their words? Are they matching with their actions or not? If their words are matching with their actions, that means they are true to their words, okay, and they are ethical, okay, their work ethics are fruitful. But if they are not matching, that means they are just trying to please you to get something in return. Okay, so they are not very much ethical in their work. They are just doing to please you, or they are just doing to for the sake of getting something in return in future. Okay, so that all thing we have to understand. And the true measure of their character or behavior can be understood in the negative scenario. Okay, in the worst case scenario, or in the bad phase of their life, how are they behaving? Okay, how are they treating you? In that case, you will understand ki if they are respecting you in their bad phase or your bad phase, then that means that person will be there for you always, and they will try to understand you in from your perspective. Okay, they will try to put yourself in your shoes. They will try to put themselves in your shoes and will try to understand your problem. Okay, so they will not see from their perspective, rather they will see from your perspective, like how you are feeling and how can you feel when she will be there or he will be there in the same scenario. I hope you have understood the concept, you have understood the problem, and then it will be very much helpful in trying to understand how much emotionally balanced the other person is, because emotional quotient is very much important than intelligence quotient. Okay, intelligently, like many people in the world are very much intelligent, but they are not able to handle their emotions properly. So because of that, what may happen, right? Because of that, they will be like very much intelligent and sound, but they are not much controlled over their anger. They will be like very much impulsive in taking their decisions, like they will be quickly tell you anything which may not be of good, may not be good for you. Okay, so they will tell directly, so they will not think whether these words whatever I'm telling you will be hurting you or not. They will not think about those things. Okay, they will just simply tell you, then they can later regret like why I told this, and they will not be able to say sorry to you because they have not learned that. Okay, so before that, if you can handle like how to manage your emotions by increasing your emotional wisdom, that is called emotional quotient. Okay, so you have to know how can you manage your emotional quotient in such a way that you can manage your stress, and which leads to manage your BP, and which leads to manage your proper good health. Okay, so good health is very much important. So for that, your emotional quotient should be balanced. So EQ is very much greater than IQ. Okay, so EQ is at top level, then IQ comes to lead a better healthy life, and to make a good wealth, and to have a happiness around yourself with your society. So for that, you need to put EQ over IQ. Okay, because intelligence can be increased in a due course of time, but if emotions are not managed, then you can't maintain a healthy balance between your professional life and your personal life, and that where most of the people lack. They will earn a lot of money, they will earn a good amount of respect, but personally, with their near and dear ones, they will try to put up all their egos, because they will be weak in front of that person. Okay, so in front of the strong person they will be very much weak, but in front of weak person they will try to act very much strong, and like that they will try to satisfy their ego. So it signifies that person is emotionally weak. So you have to be strong, you have to be a man. Okay, if you are a man. Okay, so that is very much important to understand, and same goes for women as well. We have to be emotionally sound, we have to understand the other person's perspective before trying to judge them, or before stating any words that may hurt other person. We have to analyze that, we have to keep ourselves in their shoes, and then we can see that whether my words will hurt them or not. If I say these things, will it impact our relationship or not if we tell these words? If we have to measure it, ऐसा बोला जाता है नाप तोल कर बोलना चाहिए, क्योंकि नाप तोल कर बोलने से आपका रिलेशन अच्छा रहता है। क्योंकि आप उस वक्त गुस्से में कोई भी चीज़ बोल देते हो, ये सामने वाले को नहीं पता ना, सामने वाला बोल रहा है कि ये मेरी तरफ पॉइंट करके इंटेंशनली मुझे बोल रहा है, बट एक्चुअल में ऐसा नहीं होता है। वो आपके बारे में अच्छा सोच रहा होता है, बट उस वक्त गुस्सा आ जाता है और फिर आप कुछ उल्टा सीधा बोल देते हैं जो सामने वाला जीवन भर नहीं भूलता। तो हमें जब गुस्सा होता है, कोई भी आदमी, चाहे हम या आप, उस वक्त हमें कुछ भी नहीं बोलना चाहिए, उस वक्त हमें शांत रहना चाहिए। ठीक है, आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप उल्टी गिनती कर सकते हो, लाइक 100 to 1 काउंट करो, 100, 99, 98, 97। अगर आप इस तरह से काउंट करते हो टिल 1, एंड देन आप किसी टॉपिक के ऊपर जो कन्वर्सेशन चल रहा था या डीप आर्ग्यूमेंट्स चल रहा था, उसका जब आप रिप्लाई दोगे तो एक अलग रिप्लाई होगा। तो आपके शांत माइंड से, कूल एंड काम माइंड से वो रिप्लाई आएगा जो सामने वाला को भी शांत कर देता है। ठीक है, तो ये चीज़ हमें समझना पड़ेगा कि आग से आग को नहीं निभाया जा सकता। अगर आग को निभाना है तो उसके लिए पानी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। ठीक है, तो इस चीज़ को हमेशा याद रखिए। तो मिलते हैं आपसे एक अगले वीडियो में एक अगले टॉपिक के साथ। टिल देन, बाय बाय।